Hi Herbishh, thanks for this opportunity. I just wanted to quickly review your dark brown color shampoo and the product as a whole. I really love it. It's got really great gray coverage. I have persistent grays, especially along my my hairline. And look, I did this last night. It's all gone. And it's the other things that I love about it is that it's very easy to apply. It doesn't hurt my nose. There's no fumes. It takes 15-20 minutes literally. Like, just let it sit there, marinate, and wash it off. I don't even use shampoo to wash it off. I just use water. Doesn't bleed into my towel or any other clothing I'm wearing. It doesn't dry out my hair. My hair isn't frizzy, even though I didn't shampoo and condition afterwards. What else? It's just a really great product. I love it. It feels healthy for my hair. Anyhow, thank you so much. I can't wait to try other colors, especially the coffee, and keep them coming. Keep creating these amazing products. Bye.